Ask a standard language model to build you a website, and at first glance, you get something pristine. The layout is modern, the motion is smooth, and everything appears to be exactly where it belongs. This cross-section shows the reality beneath the surface. When you inspect the actual markup, you find chaos. CSS classes conflict with each other, structural layout boxes physically intersect and crash. The system hallucinates components that simply do not exist. These failures happen because we are asking artificial intelligence to treat the strict, exacting discipline of software engineering exactly like creative writing. Web design requires absolute mathematical precision. An impressive visual mockup is completely useless if the underlying engineering rendering it is structurally unsound. Large language models are probability engines. They continuously guess the next piece of data, or token, based entirely on statistical likelihood. That probabilistic guessing is inherently incompatible with the strict rules of page assembly. Software execution cannot work on an 80% chance. We need the fluid comprehension of natural language to understand user intent, but require the rigid execution of traditional code to actually build it. Relying on probability for a build system guarantees hallucinated, broken outputs. It is an architectural dead end. Grid 2.0 solves this by enforcing one contrary rule. The artificial intelligence is never allowed to generate markup. Instead, the architecture establishes an understanding layer. Here, the language model is restricted entirely to translating user intent. It reads your natural language prompt and extracts the core content, the required structural elements, and your specific brand tone, whether that is minimal, bold, playful, or corporate. By isolating the AI, we stop it from acting as an unpredictable creator and force it to be a highly reliable blueprint reader. Once that blueprint is written, the system crosses a hard architectural boundary. The AI hands off its instructions, and algorithmic execution takes over. Page assembly is handled by an algorithm called beam search. It takes the blueprint, scanning through a vast grid of modular UI sections. It mathematically evaluates every possible combination, pruning away wrong paths until it selects the single optimal sequence for your page. There is no guessing involved here. If you provide the exact same inputs to the algorithm, you will get the exact same structural output every single time. By replacing guesswork with mathematical certainty, the beam search execution layer engineers hallucinations completely out of the final product. That mathematical certainty extends directly into real-time editing. When you want to make a change, the system does not ask the AI to regenerate the page. It parses your text command into a strict composable function, a pure transform that modifies the page that has already been assembled. Because these transforms are pure functions, you get a fully reliable undo and redo history. The underlying structure never degrades or decays as you iterate. Even when you are freely experimenting with the design in real time, the architecture maintains deterministic control over the code. The final result is a fully assembled page where the requested brand tone propagates with absolute structural perfection. Every specific color palette, every custom typography choice, and precise spacing rule is unified entirely by the algorithm, without a single line of manual styling or hallucinated code. By drawing a rigid boundary around execution, the system actually produces cleaner, more consistent creative expression across the entire site. The solution to broken AI outputs isn't simply feeding more data into larger, clumsier language models. True engineering in the AI era requires us to build smarter architectures. We have to confine generative models to understanding and return the heavy lifting of execution to the reliable certainty of algorithms.